How can the injection molding process adapt to help better realize the promise of 3D printed mold tooling? Look at this. This is a mold base set designed by Alba Enterprises. I'm here at their facility. This mold base is tailored to a mold sized to be 2 inches square. Why that size? Because Alba has discovered that at that size, the cooling of this mold base alone is sufficient to maintain the required temperature of the mold. That means no cooling lines are needed for the mold itself. That brings real freedom to the mold design. It allows 3D printed mold making, already a fast way to obtain a mold, to proceed even faster. That means iterate quickly, check the design, check the process, change the design, change the process. Keep doing that within tight, fast, iterative loops, all using tooling and a process that will become the production process when the final solution is realized. This is the BabyPlast miniature precise injection molding machine that Alba Enterprises provides. 10-ton mold clamping force. Alba has used this system to run 3D printed mold tooling made of laser powder bed fusion, made using the Mantle TrueShape process, even polymer 3D printed molds in some cases. Another feature of this mold set, this array of injector pin holes, always ensuring that there is a pin at the right location for these small injection molded parts made with 3D printed tooling. We have a detailed article about 3D printed mold tooling used within a system, an injection molding system designed to take advantage of it. Put a link in the description below. Also, for much more about 3D printed molds, all the different ways they're being used, all of the different 3D printing processes used to make molds. We've got a lot about that. Find a link to our 3D printed mold making coverage in the description as well.